A very good morning, student. This is the second practical subject, object oriented programming using C++. In the last session we have already seen our first practical. So I hope you have already read all the information given under the practical number 2. So our practical number 2 is program to implement decision making statements, that is if, else, switch, etc. Before going to start our practical, first we will see the practical significance of this experiment. The decision making statement like if, else and switch case helps to decide the order of execution of statements based on content condition or repeat a group of statements until certain specified conditions are met. So we have already studied into the first chapter, that is the decision making. The relevant PO of this experiment is basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practices, engineering tools and communication. Now what is the competency and practical skills you have gained after this practical? This practical is expected to develop the following skills, that is you will be able to define decision making statement applicable to the particular problem. You can able to compile the program, debug and execute the program. The relevant CO of this experiment is develop C++ program using decision making statement. Practical outcome is you can able to write, compile, debug, execute simple C++ program using decision making statement. Now this practical requires some minimum theoretical background, that is a decision making statement. So what is the decision making statement? The decision making statement is depending on the condition block need to be executed or not, which is decided by condition. If the condition is true, the statement block will be executed. If condition is false, then statement block will be not executed. So there are different decision making statement, that is a if, else, switch, nested if else. Okay, first we will see the syntax of the if else statement. So we have already seen, but here I will revise. If condition, in that condition we can write the condition by using the relational operators. After that it contains the statement. If this condition is true, these statements which are written into the if bracket will be executed. If this condition is false, the statements which are written in the else bracket will be executed. Now we will see the syntax of the switch statement. A switch statement works with byte, short, character and integer primitive data type. It also works with the enumerated types and string. So switch, it has again expression or variable, case value, statement, any number of statement. Here we are using the break statement. If the case value is matched with the expression or variable, it will execute the statement which are written under that case value. Break is used to stop the execution and it will come out of the loop of the switch statement. And default, it is an optional statement. Now these are the resources which are required to perform this practical. These all resources for all practicals are the same, because we need a computer system, operating system and software for this, same software for this practical. Here they have already given us the specification which are required, and in this point resources used, we have to write the specification of our computer system, software and resources. Now in the result you have to write the conclusion in your notebook. After the completion of this practical, in your notebook write down the result. Now see our practical related question. So for the point 8 to 10 and 13 to 15, for all relevant programming exercise use blank pages provided or attached to more pages if needed. So first question is, observe the following block of code and determine what happens when x equal to 2. Now switch case, it has the variable, that is the expression x. Case value is 1, case is 2, case is 3. It has sentence that is cout, x is 3. So jumping to the third branch and go to third branch. Default statement, x is not within the range, so need to say thank you. So first we will see how it works. So switch, the value of x is 2. So in this bracket, instead of this x, the value is 2. It will first check this 2 with the case 1. Now 1 is not equal to 2. So this case will not be executed. Now case 2 and this 2 is matched. So this case 2 is executed. But there is no any statement in the case 2. And again here we are not using the break statement. So it will again come here. It will print x is 3. So jumping to the third branch. Now go to third branch. So here in this code they are not given where is that third branch code. So in the next execution line it will execute the x is not within the range, so need to say thank you. If you write this program on the Turbo C++ editor, it will give some errors because go to third branch, this go to statement is not written into this program. So what is just output of this program is, it will print this statement and this statement also. Now second question is, a conditional operator in C++ is what? A unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator, and none of them. So what is the conditional operator? If you remember, then expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3 semicolon. This is the conditional operator. Now it has the 3 operators, so it is a ternary operator. The correct answer is a ternary operator. Which of the following is selection statement? So to select the statement, break statement is used to stop the execution or to come out from the looping statement. Go to statement is again used to go into the particular statement. Exit is used to exit the program. Now switch is used to selection statement in the C++. So switch is the selection statement in the C++. So fourth answer D is the correct answer of this question. In the given space you have to write the answer. Now you can use the 200 pages to write the answer. So directly write the practical number. Again after that you have to write this eighth point, that is resources required. Sorry, not 8 actually. You have to write this 10 point, that is the resources used. If you are using computer laptops, then you can write the specifications of this. Otherwise directly write down the same thing which is given in the resources required point. Again you have to write the conclusion, that is the result of the practical. Again for this write the question and after that write the correct answer. Same, write the question, then write the different options and after that write the correct option. Now we will see the next exercise, that is a 13th exercise. In this we have to write the question number 1 or 2 or 3 and question number 4AB or 4AC. So in this there are 3 questions. In the practical we have to attempt only one. I will show you one program for this, and for other 2 questions you have to write programs your own. So first program is write C++ program to check leap year. So see here the program. to check whether the given year is a leap year or not using C++. For that we require here integer year equal to 2016, or instead of this we can take the input from the user also. After execution of this program I will show you how to get input from the user. So if year modulo 4 equal to 0, so what is the condition to check the whether given year is a leap or not? If we divide the any year by 4 or 100, if it will give the 0 remainder, then this is the leap year. Means suppose we have one year, if we divided it by 4, if and only if the remainder is 0, then it is a leap year. So what is the condition? Modulo sign which is used to calculate or which is used to get the remainder. Remainder means difference. Again the condition is same for 100 and 400. So if year modulo 4 equal to 0 and year modulus 100 is not equal to 0, or year modulo 400 equal to 0, then and then only this given year is a leap year, else the given year is a not leap year. Now we will see execution of this program. Here 2016 is a leap year. Here I will change 2017, again execute. So 2017 is a not leap year. This condition is very important. First divide that year by 4 and calculate the remainder by using the modulus operator. Again suppose 2000, see here is a leap year. Why? Because it divided by 4 also and 400 also and gives the remainder 0. Now we will see the third program, it is a palindrome. So what is the palindrome number means? If we write the number and if we take the number from last to first or first to last, it has the same value. See here now, this is the palindrome number, that is 1 2 3 2 1. If we take it from last to first, then again 1 2 3 2 1. This is the palindrome number. Now how to write the program for this? First we have to declare two variables, that is a reverse equal to 0 and value. Now reverse, it is used to take the reverse value of this number. Now value is equal to num, while num is greater than 0. Reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus number modulus 10. Here to take the reverse of the number, we have to write the reverse into 10. Now what is the value of 0? Reverse is 0. 0 into 10, 0 plus number divided by 10. So what is the number? Suppose we will take this one, 1 2 3 2 1. This is the number, modulus 10 means what is the remainder is 2 3 2 1. Now number equal to number divided by 10 is 1 2 3 2. Again it will execute the same while condition till the number is greater than 0. After that we will get the reverse of that number. In this next loop we will check the value equal to reverse. If the value, that is a number, it's same as the reverse number, then and then only it is a palindrome, and if not, it is a not palindrome. So 1 2 3 2 1. If we take the reverse of this number, that is a 1 2 3 2 1, both are the same, so it is a palindrome. And 1 2 3 4, if we take the reverse of this, that is a 4 3 2 1. So 1 2 3 4 is not equal to 4 3 2 1, so this is not palindrome. We will execute this program. It will give that 1 2 3 2 1 is a palindrome, 1 2 3 4 is not palindrome. So this is the program for the palindrome. Here in this experiment we have seen the first program and third. The second program you have to write your own. So now we will see the fourth question, that is complete the given table. If you have your own laptops or computers, you can try these questions. Otherwise, I will execute this program and I send you one PDF file with the answers. In your notebook, you can write the answer of this question. So we can solve first question, that is why main integer a equal to 10 if a is less than 15. If a is less than 15, then it will come here. So what is the value of a is 10. 10 is less than 15. This condition is true, then it will come here. Now time. It is a label. So see out a. It will show the answer, that is a 10. Again it will go here in the time. It will again show the a. Continue execute the same process. Why? Because when go to time, it will come here. In that see out a, it will display the value of a. So this output is infinite time 10. Second is a B. Long factorial long a. If a is greater than 1, return a into factorial a plus 1, else return 1. Integer main long number 3. Now here is passed value 3. So 3 is greater than 1. It is a correct. So 3 into what is the value of factorial? That is a num. 3 plus 1. Like that it will execute till the value of a is greater than 1. This program not show any answer. Next question is C. So here integer percentage, enter the percentage, okay. Here suppose we have entered percentage 90. So case 10 and case 9 you have got grade a plus 1. In a plus you have got entered grade a. 7 you have got grade b plus, b, c and d. Suppose we have entered the value for the percentage is 90. So 90 divided by 10. What is the value of 90 divided by 10 is 9. So first it will check with case 1. So case 1 10 is not equal to 9. So next case is a 9. So this 9 is matched with this 9. So it will execute the you have got grade a plus. What is the output of this program is, first enter the percentage. Now write whatever marks you want, and after that by using this statement you can write the answer. Suppose example, enter the percentage, we have written 90, so it will display the output you have got grade a plus 1, sorry a plus. If you write the percentage 80, then output is you have got grade a. If you have written 75, then it will show you have got grade B plus, like that. Now this is the completion of our second experiment.